In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can become rich off of 300 Robux Limiteds. So I'm not talking UGC, I'm talking actual Roblox Limiteds, and I've been realizing something that's been happening for well over a year. The typical egg items that everybody hates and is like worth like 100 Robux is now 300. Usually I would give tips not to get eggs, being that they're just too low to actually be traded with, and you probably need like a few of these. Having 3 epic eggs just might be enough to start trading by yourself. And what people don't realize is that there's great capitalization off this, because if these are really rising as you know how they say that is, you should really get a few of these. Of course, I'm not just going to say something and not show you, so I'm going to show you all the proof that I have. I also said that Requiem was going to rise, and now it's like 6,000, so maybe my advice is really important. So our viewer actually made me realize for a video idea to talk about how egg prices have been rising. It feels like 8-bit roll crown all over again. So just last year, this egg was worth 150 Robux, the epic egg. A fun fact is that everybody got this for free if they owned it. I think you earned it through a event like Ready Player 2 or something like that, but it went from 150 to well over 336. And if you look at the chart, you can see that it's steadily climbing, and that is just insane. I never really realized this until now, but looking at it now, I honestly just never expected these to start rising. I know that all limiteds go through a rise period, but I just never would have expected this. The same thing for the egg sharking egg or whatever egg raging. Just last year is worth 142, and now it's worth almost like 400. Like that's like a 4 times increase. You can even say this for the shoulder shark cat. Just last year it was worth 500, and now it's literally double the price. Like it's hit 1,000 Robux. Like you could honestly just own one of these and you could start trading. And I wanted to show an example of how people have profited off this. This dude has been lasting online 8 months ago. His items are like 10 years old, but the fun fact is that he has a hoard of the epic egg worth 73,000. And if you look at his chart, he has been making thousands, just thousands. Like this is literally insane. Like he literally doesn't trade. He was lasting online 8 months ago, and he's made like almost double just off of eggs. If you look at his inventory, maybe he has even more hoards I'm not realizing, but all he has is just epic eggs, and he's made 100,000. The only thing I've seen behave like this is 8-bit tabby cat or 8-bit items with particle effects. This went from 2,000 to literally 12,000. So that is just a good comparison in my opinion. It's really the same case for me too. I haven't been trading a lot because I've been, focused on life things. But the fun fact is that I have so many smalls, and they're really helping me out ever so shortly. 280k to 320k. That's pretty good. And even another example, we have the Marcy Trades account. This account is all eggs, and look at this gigantic bump. I started at 17,000, and now I'm all the way at 19,840. And just to remind y'all, I was right about this item. I got so many hate comments, but let's take a look at Requiem. Wow, look at that. Requiem has almost doubled its price. More videos will be coming soon. Thank you for watching. Join Discord server, and I'll see you in the next video.